Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the MySchoolRide school bus tracking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. MySchoolRide is a school bus tracking app designed to give parents, guardians, and schools real-time visibility of student transportation. It allows users to view the live GPS location of school buses, check estimated arrival times, monitor route progress, and receive alerts for delays or schedule changes. The app is available on both iOS and Android and is commonly used by school transportation departments to improve safety and communication. The app's main feature is its real-time GPS bus tracking, showing exactly where the bus is and how long it will take to reach each stop. Parents can receive notifications when the bus is approaching, has reached pickup or drop-off points, or if there are unexpected route changes. Schools benefit from centralized transport monitoring, helping them manage fleet operations more efficiently and respond to issues quickly. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its accuracy, easy-to-read interface, and timely notifications, which help reduce waiting times and increase peace of mind. Parents find the alerts especially helpful during peak school hours or in bad weather. Schools also report smoother communication with families thanks to automated update features. However, there are some drawbacks. The app's performance depends heavily on GPS accuracy and network connectivity, which can cause occasional delays or mismatched bus locations. Some users experience slow refresh rates during high traffic times. Additionally, the app's full functionality requires schools to integrate the system properly, so the experience may vary depending on the district. In summary, the MySchoolRide app may be worth using if you want reliable school bus tracking, timely notifications, and improved communication between parents and schools. However, if your school district has not fully integrated the system, or if you live in an area with weak GPS or network coverage, the experience may be less consistent. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.